Hey, what's up traders? Today we are diving into something what separates the real profitable traders from the ones who are not profitable, and also from those who pass prop firm challenges. Yes, we are talking about a risk management. This is the key whether you are aiming to pass FTMO or higher crypto prop trading challenge or trading with your own capital. I'm going to break down 3 solid approaches to the risk, and I'll even share what other successful traders are doing too. And if you are serious about mastering prop challenges or just want to become more consistent, hit that like button and subscribe, because this is not only one video which is important and will take you closer to your dreams. So first thing first, if you are asking how big my position size should be, you are asking wrong questions. The real focus should be on the percentage per trade, not lot size, not contract size. You will figure out that your position size should be based on your account balance, stop loss distance, and how much percentage of your capital are you risking. If you are going to calculate your lot size, you can use the MyFX book calculator, and for the crypto there is a great tool, crypto position size calculator. I'm sharing the link in my Discord where we are building something dope, and you can join because there is a lot of great traders and we keep it simple. Let's break down 3 different styles based on how you trade. The standard trader can open 10 to 15 trades per month and risking 0.5% per trade in phase 1 and also 0.5% per trade in the verification phase and 0.5% per trade in the live. This is quite chill and calculated approach, and it gives you enough breathing room to stay under the drawdown limits. In my other video, which I'm giving you link in the description, I'm showing you more detailed approach into this risk management. If you are a scalper or the high frequency trader, you will probably have something between 30 to 40 trades, right? You should risk also something around 0.5% per trade. Why? Because you trade high volume, high exposure. So I suggest you to keep it tight and avoid stacking the losses. And if you're focusing on the sniper entries and high probability setups, that's what I am doing, you will probably trade maybe 10 to 15 maximum trades per month. You can increase your risk a little bit in the prop trading to the 1% per trade. And if your setups are high quality and rare, this can be up to 2%. But just make sure you don't overtrade. One wrong move at 2% prop account is a big deal. Some traders tweak their risk based on the drawdown and the time left in the challenge. However, these days, most prop firms, they have removed the time-based limit, so you should not be worried about that. Now you also should be a little bit flexible, because in the first phase you are not trading the life. You didn't make such a work, such a progress, and you should allow yourself to risk a little bit more instead of staying in the drawdown for too long. However, on the live account, I suggest to risk maximum 0.5% per trade. Many people saying 1% per trade, but in the fact, this is quite high risk because you are actually betting your whole prop funded account just into the 10 trades. And that's quite a lot. That's like risking 10% per trade on your real personal account, which you wouldn't do. Okay, so now let's be real. Every successful trader I know has blown prop accounts, missed targets, or lost life paces. I have lost too, and that's simply part of the journey. Don't put the prop firms on a pedestal. Whether you pass or fail, it doesn't define you. It's a long game. And I suggest you to don't buy a challenge until you have your trading plan, strategy, and you are sure of what you are doing. The prop firms can be only tool to scale your skills which you already have, not the place where you will be learning the trading. Okay, so now you got the tools, whether you are trading the high volume sniper setups or just trying to stay consistent. Pick the model that fits you, and if you want to take it into the next level with the CLS strategy I use, you should join our Discord, where we follow the market makers and trade mechanical setups. So check out the link in the description. We also got a full trading academy, and it's over the 10 years of my experience packed into the one system. And if you want a family of the traders to grow with, we will see you there and help you leveling up every week. And if you made it this far, just drop a comment and let me know how you manage your risk.